Discover unparalleled tranquility and sophistication in this maintenance-free masterpiece boasting almost 2,800 square feet of meticulously designed living space. Nestled within the prestigious Sandhill Preserve community on Palmer Ranch, this home features amazing and expansive water views and offers 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths, ensuring ample space for comfortable living and entertaining. Upon entering, you are greeted by an expansive great room floor plan that seamlessly integrates the gourmet kitchen, featuring solid wood cabinets, granite countertops, LED under-cabinet lighting, a large walk-in pantry and stainless steel appliances. Do you prefer to cook on gas? The kitchen is plumbed for a gas range. The large primary suite features a large bathroom with soaking tub and walk-in shower. A luxurious walk-in closet has been thoughtfully designed for the most discerning buyer. Bedroom 2 is the perfect guest oasis with an ensuite bathroom and large walk-in closet. The screened covered lanai extends your living space outdoors, offering serene courtyard views and ample room to create your own private oasis, complete with the option to add a pool. Luxury and convenience abound with hurricane shutters ensuring peace of mind and lower insurance costs, complemented by a 3-car tandem garage providing plenty of storage and parking. Sandhill Preserve is renowned for its resort-style amenities, including a community pool, jacuzzi, fitness center, pickleball courts, clubhouse, fire pit, and a barefoot bar area. Enjoy an active lifestyle with access to tennis courts, bocce ball, and a plethora of social activities coordinated by the community's dedicated activity director. Conveniently located in the heart of Palmer Ranch, just minutes away from the world-famous Siesta Key Beach, renowned shopping districts, restaurants, and the scenic Legacy Bike Trail, this home offers the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and leisure. Don't miss this rare opportunity for immediate occupancy in one of Sarasota's most coveted communities. Schedule your private tour today and experience the epitome of Florida living at Sandhill Preserve.